Hello guys, today we're going to change the coupe filter inside my Toyota Corolla Verso. So I will show you how to do it. It's real simple. You do it in about approximately 1 minute. Let's see. The filter is hidden behind the glove box. You can see it in here. We open this one and this one, and then you just pull it out. Oh, look at that! Amazing, eh? Let's get a new one. The new one for my car has this number on it. And we just squeeze it a little together. And here we go. Let's see that it is the same size. Yes, exactly the same. What way? That way. Oh, come on. Here we go. And here we have it. Beautiful, eh? Compared to this one, this is not so beautiful. Mark it up. Let's see. Yeah, that seems to be it. And that's it really. That was not that hard. Took approximately 1 minute.